Alright, so like we said earlier, you turn the key on. There's nothing going on there. You don't even hear a click, and I think we talked about that. So the starter solenoid's not even energizing. So I suspect it's the bar switch. So I got a brand new switch. So what we'll do is install this and see how it goes. Sometimes there's connections in here you can actually clean up on some machines, but I don't know. We'll just change it. There's a zip tie way in there I'm trying to get, but boy, that thing's... There, I got it. Here's the plug right here. Just gotta push that tab in. Oh boy. Probably holding me up as years of mud and dirt to actually get in there. There's the old one out. Just making sure the new one connector is the same, and it is. I should have made sure this looks the same, because this the one on the right is the new one. It's aftermarket. If you want to for sure have no problems, put OEM in. The original aftermarket is, I don't know, it's a lot cheaper. I just decided to go with aftermarket, but nothing's better than the OEM though, I can tell you. When it comes to the Chinese stuff, you don't really want to, if you want to gamble, don't use the Chinese aftermarket stuff. There, that clipped on. There. Okay, see if it works before we mount it up. Keys on. That was the problem. It's always a good feeling. Always a good feeling. It's not a pin bar, is it? No. There. And little things like this. This is the OEM screws that went in. I mean, they're actually a pitch to them. They're screws. This is the China. I mean, it's like a wood screw. I mean, the quality is not there. So always keep that in mind when you buy this aftermarket stuff from China. It's I don't know. But sometimes you can justify it by price. The new stuff, I forgot what it was, but I wouldn't doubt that switch. This switch is over $130 from Yamaha, and this switch here probably paid 20 bucks, 15 bucks. Now, if this machine's gonna sit outside, out in the weather, especially where it's snowing, ice and sleet, I don't think this will hold up. If you keep in the garage, you're not mudding with it. Yeah. So yeah, turn the key on, neutral lights on. Yeah, it's not going to start because I'm out of gas right now, but it's in here for other repairs. But we got the cranking problem fixed. That was it. I suppose make sure the lights work too. The lights were kind of finicky with the other switch. So that's low, high, Yeah. See, I'm flicking back and forth. So the switch actually is more positive too. It works. The other one you had to fumble with it a little bit for the lights to stay on and high. So yeah, there's a few things wrong with the other switch. We had to get it replaced. Use your judgment. I'd recommend China only if you want to take a gamble. Keep the machine inside. You don't do extreme stuff with it. Most of the time, if you want peace of mind and you're actually getting a good switch, OEM would be the way to go. In this situation, I just couldn't justify it. I'm just not staying outside. I'm not using it much. So, but you know the German saying though, they always say, in Germany they say those who buy cheap buy twice. So this might just bite me. So anyway, thanks for watching, and like again, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. I make videos like this often. If this helped you out or you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing. Please also consider donating using the link in the description below, which helps keep this channel going. Hope to see you in the next video.